Big dog affiliates go where the money is. Instead of focusing on the niche products, you need to focus on the products that can and do sell. At least if you want to be one of the big dogs in internet marketing, you do. If you want to make the big commission checks and the easy, sell themselves while I am in the tropics kind of sales the big dogs do, you have to think less about what you want to talk about and more about what customers want to hear. The other factor you must consider is sustainability. When you do choose a niche, choose one with staying power. Choose one that can be recycled over and over, that will continue to elicit demand again and again. That will lend itself to upselling with other products and/or upgrades. And while you do that, focus on how you sell, not only what you sell, so that you can reuse what you learn. That way, you can continue to be a big dog affiliate success well into the future, say, to retirement, even as products and affiliate programs come and go. If by now you are concerned and thinking, great, now I just don't know what to sell, and I thought I had it all figured out, don't worry. This book is here to retrain you and teach you to sell and make easy money the way the big dogs do. Not the way the people making trickles and dabs of affiliate money do, the way the people living off affiliate commissions do. And to that end, we will certainly clarify for you how to identify the products that will sell. In fact, we'll do that shortly. But first, let's take away another fear. But I'm no expert. Okay, so now that we've dismissed the thought of selling niche products that you like, and taken away your automatic level of comfort with your product, we need to talk about how to correct that problem for you, yes? It is a lot easier to sell something you know and love, surely. It is easier, at least in the beginning, to build marketing and pre-sales around a product you have an interest in, meaning, if you are already an expert in widget obscura, you could probably sit down and in one afternoon draft a complete website full of content on the matter. And if you choose another product, say an in-demand high seller that you know next to nothing about, you'll have to do some research before you can belt out that content. You'll have to become an expert all over again. There. You've just been given the answer. Did you see it? Become an expert. Just as you were not born an expert in widgets, just as you became an expert through study and use, you can do the same thing for any product that with excellent consumer demand. All that it takes to become an expert is some time spent reading, and eventually using your products. You can become an authority. You can become whatever type of expert you want to be. And trust us when we say that you want to be the expert who knows the products with ready-to-buy consumers. That being said, there is something more to consider. You don't really need to be an expert to be an effective affiliate. By default, it is quite likely you'll become one over time, but in the meantime, all you need to do is let your parent affiliate program do the work for you. All the information and ordering and purchasing tools are already there for you. Your job is just to get your people to them so that they can buy. And believe us when we say that if you target the right markets, they're likely to come with plenty of information anyway.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.